Welcome back, guys. In this video I'll show you how to upload files on GitHub. So make sure that you have the GitHub desktop application. Go to file and create repository. So in here, just name the repository accordingly depending on what is useful to you. So in this case I'll be naming it landing page. You can add description, but here I'll just click create repository. So in here, what I will do next is, and then just click here publish repository, and then you can name it and add description and keep it the code private, and then just click publish repository. So wait for that to load again. Once it's done, what you will do next is to open the file location of your repository, and then what you will do is copy all the files from your program and then paste it in this file location of the new repository. And then what you will observe next is all of the files will be uploaded then to the GitHub. So once you pasted all of it, go to GitHub and go to repository and open in Visual Studio, and then add a file, and then you will name it git ignore, and then you will have to type this node underscore modules and then slash, and then click publish your branch. And then after doing that, you just have to name the summary. So it's found here on the lower left. I'll name it first commit, and then you can also add a description, like for example you put here the date. That will do, so it depends. And then you just have to click commit to main after that, and that's it. That's how you upload a document or file on GitHub. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please do like this video and subscribe to this channel.